driver's side door sill trim cover and left dashboard trim cover. Remove the fuse box cover. Find the vacant slot on the fuse box. Use a measuring instrument or test pen to test the current of socket 01 when the vehicle is turned off. When the engine is off and the port voltage registers 12 volts, this port can be identified as the B+ port. Install the fuse of the B wire harness of the power cable at this position. Account port. Use a measuring instrument or test pen to measure the vacant slot when the engine is not started. The current and voltage of the slot are 0. When the engine is started, the measured voltage is 14.2 volts. This port can thus be identified as the account port. Install the account port of the wire harness at this position. Insert the account port into the verified account port. Install the constant power B+ port of the wire harness into the verified constant power B+ output port. Remove the driver's side door sill trim cover. Install the black ground wire GND port to the body grounding point of the vehicle. Peel off the adhesive tape of the dash cam and the protective film over the lens. Mount the dash cam at the center of the front windshield. Connect the power plug of the dash cam. Connect the rear view camera cable. Remove the rain sensor housing. Conceal the power cable inside the sensor. Cover. Remove the rain sensor housing. Fasten the rain sensor housing. Continue routing the cable along the interior headliner toward the left A-pillar. Route the cable downward along the left A-pillar. Secure the excess cable with cable ties and tuck it into the gaps of the fuse box. Route the cable along the sill on the driver's side to the B-pillar. Reinstall the side cover of the A-pillar. Line down along the B-pillar on the left side of the driver's seat. Remove the decorative panel on the left rear door threshold. Line along the left rear threshold to the C-pillar. Cover the left rear threshold decorative panel back. Line along the C-pillar to the gap in the ceiling. Wire along the upper gap of the C-pillar to the rear windshield. Install the rear view camera and connect the rear view camera cable.